All right, I'm sure you all heard about selling on Amazon, but what you didn't know is that there's actual different types of business models on how you can actually sell on Amazon. On this video, I'm gonna explain all the different types of businesses that you can do and earn money while working from home. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. And for those who don't know me, I'm Econ Dave. I'm a six-figure Amazon FBA seller and FBA coach. This channel is all about selling on Amazon and entrepreneurship. And if you want a channel that's not afraid to tell you how it is and a bunch of free information on e-commerce, entrepreneurship, and obviously Amazon, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and any questions, drop them in the comments below. All right, so let's get started. All right, so there are actually a couple ways on how you can sell on Amazon, right? So technique number one on how you can get started with selling on Amazon, it's called retail arbitrage. Now, what is retail arbitrage? Retail arbitrage is actually when you go to the stores in your town and look for sales inside actual retail stores. You come in, you scan the products with your Amazon seller account, and then it'll show you how much those products are actually selling on Amazon, right? So what you're doing is you're going into stores when they're, for example, doing a sale, or just any regular store that's selling products that are already selling on Amazon. See if they're selling them for cheaper in the store, and if they are, you buy them and then you sell it for more on Amazon. Now, the pro with this business model is that it doesn't require any startup capital, right? Very minimal. So you can go ahead, find the products that are for sale, buy them, and then sell them on Amazon. And there's little risk, because if you're not able to sell them on Amazon, then you can obviously go back to the store and return them, right? Now, the con of this. Bad thing about retail arbitrage is that you always have to be in the hunt of looking for products, right? It's not very passive. It's a hustle. You have to go into the store, scan products for hours, see if you find some products that are selling for more on Amazon, right? So as a startup, if you need some starting up capital, I recommend this business model, right? Just to get some cash flowing. If you need some immediate cash, I extremely recommend doing retail arbitrage. You can look into that. Pretty much just Google Amazon retail arbitrage and you find a bunch of guys that, they'll teach you how to do it. Now, business model number two is actually doing drop shipping, right? So how does that work? All right. So how Amazon dropshipping pretty much means is you're going to popular stores that are already, online. For example, other marketplaces like Walmart, for example. I pulled it up right here, and you're looking for products that are selling for less than that are selling for more on Amazon, right? So for example, I found this product right here. It's selling for $350 on Walmart, and if you actually go on Amazon, that exact same product it's selling for $360, right? There's multiple courses out there that'll teach you how to do drop shipping, right? And again, the pro with this business is that you don't need that much startup capital either, right? You can find one product, purchase it, sell it, use the profit for that to purchase a second, then you can double your earnings like that. And again, the con with this business model is that it's not as passive as well, right? Again, you have to be constantly hustling. You have to be constantly on the internet looking for products that are selling for less, whether it's eBay, right, or whether it's Walmart. You have to be constantly searching for products, right? It's not that it can be scalable, but it's just you're not going to get that passive income. And then business model number three is called doing wholesale. Now, what is wholesale? So how wholesale works pretty much is you look for already popular products on Amazon, right? So already popular brands, for example, this brand right here called Nutrigen, right? And what you're doing is you're actually contacting the brand owners, right, of this product, and you're getting pretty much asking for permission to sell their product on Amazon, right? Because if you actually click on one of these guys, you're gonna see that there's other sellers selling this product, right? So how that works is, say for example, this product is selling 100 units a day. 25 will go to him, 25 will go to him, 25 sales will go to him, and 25 sales will go to the seller right here, right? So the sales get split up. All you need to do is contact the brand owners and get permission to sell their product, right? So the name of the game here is obviously get on the phone and open up as many accounts as possible. The pro of it is that you don't have to worry about ranking your product or anything like that. You're already selling already popular brands on Amazon. Now, bad thing about this is that you are gonna have to probably, if you want to scale this, you're gonna have to get yourself a warehouse or some sort of staff, because a lot of the brands that you're working with are not going to put the Amazon barcode labels for you. So you actually have to ship a lot of the inventory that you get from your suppliers, right, from your wholesale suppliers, over to your house, repackage them, and then send it over to Amazon. Another bad thing about this business model is that Amazon is actually jumping into a lot of these accounts themselves, right? So Amazon as a company is getting deals directly to, for example, these types of like already popular brands. They're buying wholesale from them, right, at a much discounted price that you're gonna get it for because they're Amazon, and then they're selling them themselves, right? So which is making it really hard to compete. That is the only bad thing. I do believe wholesale is a dying business model. A lot of Amazon is literally jumping into a lot of these brands, buying them wholesale directly from them, and undercutting price on all their competition. Now, the business model that I teach, it's called private label. Now, what is private label? So private label is, for example, you find a niche, for example, like the neck pillows, okay? So for example, they're over here, they're selling for $20. So what you're doing is you're actually manufacturing your own neck pillows, right? So you're the manufacturer and you're selling them as your own brand. And how you do that is you use this site called Alibaba. It connects you with suppliers, right? So for example, I've already ran the search. So you see right here, there's this exact same product that's selling on Amazon for $20 right here. It's actually, you can get it manufactured over in China for $265 per piece. And you can sell it as your own branded product on Amazon, right? Now this business model is a lot more scalable, and you don't have to worry about Amazon jumping into those into your markets, because it's your own product, right? You can differentiate your product because you're manufacturing your own product, right? So you don't have to worry about Amazon competing, because you're going to choose what color you want to make your product and how you can make your product different. And at the end of the day, you're going to build a brand off of Amazon. And that's what it's all about, right? So down the road, it's private label is a much more scalable, right? And you can sell multiple categories. Now, the only bad thing about private label that I will have to say is that you do need some startup capital, right? At very, very, very minimum, you need about $3,000 to start your private label business, right? So if you're running tight on money, I recommend starting with either retail arbitrage or drop shipping, where you need very little startup capital, making money with those, and then once you have enough, starting your own private label brand. And also the return on investment on private label products, it's a lot higher, right? So say for example, for this dropshipping product, you were gonna make $10 and you have to buy one single one, right? So with private label, you can get a lot of them for $265, send them over to the Amazon warehouse, right? So Amazon will actually store your products for you, right? Because when you're manufacturing your products, your suppliers actually, they can actually label the products how Amazon wants it labeled, and they ship directly from their warehouse in China all the way to the warehouse in the United States. So you don't have to get a warehouse, you don't have to get any of that, right? So it's completely automated. So when it gets to the Amazon warehouse, right, they store your products, they ship your products to your customer. So every time someone buys a product on Amazon, Amazon takes care of shipping the product over to your customer. They handle all returns, right? So literally all you need to run your private label business, it's a computer right here. Literally that's all you need, guys. I sell thousands and thousands of products every month, and literally it's all I have is a computer, and I make money from anywhere in the world. So there you guys have it. There are the 4 different business models on how you can start selling on Amazon. Again, guys, if you enjoyed what you watched, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next